Where were we? Oh, yes. So, my mom told me a different way to pull out my teeth.
Don't be funny. Go on. Yeah. Honey, you're not squeezing it hard enough. You need to keep the grip on it and then pull it.
Look how loose I think it is.
Do you want me to do it?
No! I'm doing it by myself.
Alright, come on then. Don't get your tongue or your lip, honey.
I'm trying not to.
Well, you need to watch yourself in the mirror so you know what you're grabbing.
Alright,
Alright, let me try.
no!
Move your arms up. There you go. You're gonna squeeze your tongue. Ow.
I just can't get this thing on. You're not doing it. You're not doing it.
I'll put my hand on it and then you can pull my arm, okay? I won't pull.
No.
I'm just gonna position this and then you
Hey, look, this is
move your tongue. Your lip down.
Okay, what about this?
Okay, you pull my arms.
Ow! Woohoo! It came out!
There it is. Good job, Porter Man.
Hi!
Did it hurt?
Oh, and what?
There you go. Let's see. Let's see your new smile. Wait, too close. Woohoo! This is only Porter's second tooth.
Yep.
We did it with pliers, the good old-fashioned way.
Yep.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Here was our audience, Lauren.
Yep.
And Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant.
I can see there.
Good job.
Holy cow, that's really bad.
Yep. Ooh, don't show blood. Yay, we did it. Yay.